Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope that you all will be in the best state of health and iman. As you know that the online session of our classes has been started. So here is the workbook of English for Playgroup, which contains some general knowledge questions, some conversational phrases and some English and Urdu rhymes in it. Before we start our working, first of all I will tell you about the course outline for Playgroup first term. Here are some conversational phrases. Some key conversation phrases which will help us to teach students how to talk in formal way, and this will also help to improve communication and fluency. Right here there is a segment of general knowledge which contains some questions to develop and raise the IQ level of students. On the next page there are some action words which will help to see and observe the natural process of child's learning through our actions. And on the next page there are some English rhymes and also some Urdu rhymes which will provide joyful experience to improve their pronunciation. Now, before we start our planning, firstly have a look on abbreviation. Here are the abbreviations for some words which will help us in time consumption. Now we are moving to our day-wise planning. So, if we are going to start our day first working, we have to mention the date here and the day here, and here is a segmentation for each subject. For example, for English the working will be this, for general knowledge the task will be this, for conversation the task will be this, and for rhymes for the task will be this. But as we are in the initial stage, so we have to start through pre-writing pages to have a strong pencil grip of our students. Now we will move towards our working. So first of all, I will mention the date on the top of the workbook and I will tick the circle of the day, whatever the day is today. Now the topic is join the dots. So first of all, we have to tell our students that how to hold the pencil. So students, hold your pencil like this. And one thing to remember, that whenever you are going to start your work, you make sure that the tip of your pencil is always fine. So put the tip of your pencil on this dot. Students, put the tip of the pencil on this dot, and now join the dots slowly and draw a line like this until we reach towards the arrow like this. Once again, put the tip of the pencil on this dot and draw a line by joining the dots slowly and move forward like this and this. Now on the second day's working, the direction of the dots and arrow is different. Now the dots are here and the arrows are here. So it's mean that we have to move from this dot towards the position of the arrow like this. Once again, I will tell you that put the tip of the pencil on this dot and move towards the position of the arrow like this. Now you have to complete all your remaining working and we will move towards our science activity. So students, here is an activity for you, which is, dear teacher, kindly tell the students about the babies of animals. Also help them circle the baby of lion. Do you know what is the baby of the cat is called? Kitten. The baby of the cat is called kitten. And the baby of the dog is called puppy. Have you ever seen a puppy? Yes, this is puppy. The baby of the duck is called duckling. And the baby of the lion is called cub. Here the question was that circle the baby of lion. So we have to circle the baby of the lion, which is called cub. So I will draw a circle by joining the dots like this. Here we have circled the cub. It was all about today's working. Stay connected for next video. Allah Hafiz, Fi Manillah.